Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I am Christine, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you the perfumes that I got from W.Dressroom. As you all know, W.Dressroom is a popular fragrance brand in Korea and is also launched by a Korean designer. So basically, this company focuses on dress and living clear perfume scents and home fragrances. The perfumes that I have here are all clothes perfume and not body perfumes. What pushed me to try these scents? It is because they say that K-pop idols use these perfumes, especially Jungkook from BTS and 101's members Kang Daniel and Wang Minhyun. So without further ado, let's start! As you can see, the packaging with different colors and different numbers for every scent. This is the box. It says here the brand W.Dressroom New York and the perfume number 34, Always Happy. So this is the bottle. It says here as well the brand W.Dressroom, number 34, Always Happy. It says here Dress and Living Clear Perfume, 70 ml. I will also try this on my scarf. I can say that this smells like fresh blooming flowers and it's really refreshing. Next is the number 45, Morning Rain. Let's also try it in my scarf on the other side. It's very calm, and I can say that this perfume features a fresh aqua scent. It's very cool. I suggest that you spray this on your car or in your room. Next is the number 46, Pure Lily. Try on the other side of the scarf. It's really soft and it will give you a white flower aroma as in the description. It's very light and I think I can suggest you spraying this on your garments, on your dresses, on your favorite clothes. It's very soft. Next is the most famous scent on the shop, the 97 April Cotton, because they say that Jungkook from BTS uses this scent. So let's try. I will also try this on my scarf on the other side. The scent is very clean, very subtle, and mo siyang pulbos, bagong pulbos nga baby. So I suggest you use this on your bed, on your pillow, on your blankets, on your bed sheets because it's very fresh and it's very clean. Bagong pulbo nga baby yun. And last is this Peach Blossom number 49. Peach Blossom number 49. I will spray. also try on my scarf on the other side. It smells really sweet, but not that sweet. It's a combination of sweet and fresh scent. I really love this. Siguro among all the I tried, this is my favorite. The Peach Blossom. Humot yun kay siya. And I would suggest you spray this on your room. Very nice. That's all for this video, and before I forgot to say where I bought this. I bought this from cosmetic.ph. You can check their Facebook, Instagram, or on Shopee. And this 70 ml perfume, it cost I think 179 pesos each bottle. I can say that it is really worth the price, and it smells really good on your cars, on your garments, on your room, on your bed sheets, and everywhere you wanted to spray it on. And that ends this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.